guys, it's your girl Seynt here from Seynt.com. Welcome to my channel. Did you know that Instagram notifies people when you screenshot their DM? Well, I'm going to show you what it looks like, so stay tuned. If you're new here, welcome. I make 2 videos a week and I share tips, tricks and tutorials on how you can boost your Instagram game. So if this is the type of content that you're into, then make sure you hit the subscribe button and notification bell so that you don't miss out on any of my videos. So without any further ado, let's jump straight to the video. Alright, I'm just going to send myself a message, or my other account a message. I'm just going to, take a photo and send that one through. And let me show you. I'm just going to go into my other account. Here, I'm going to open up the photo. And then we'll do a quick screenshot of it. And let's just go back to my original account. As you can see here, it notifies you that the photo has been screenshotted. So you can see that it says seen and then a little like circle type flash sort of icon on there. So yeah, so be careful if you are going to screenshot photos, or let people know that you're going to screenshot the photo, because it's quite embarrassing if you're screenshotting all these chats and not realizing that people can tell, like people know that you're doing it. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions for me, leave it down in the comment section below. But that's all from me for now, and I will see you on my next video.